excited. What do I do? Do I do this? Do I do all of this? Do I do that? What? Beautiful. Oh my gosh. It's gorgeous. Look at these windows. You guys, like what? This is the natural lighting. Like, I'm gonna have the best lit vlogs ever for Vlogmas and YouTube videos, and like everything's gonna be so pretty and I'm gonna be so motivated all the time. Like, actually, heavy breathing. This is just like the sunlight. Like, bro, look at that pool. Look at that pool. Oh my God, so pretty. What? You guys, I'm literally in this apartment. My couch here, I'm gonna be getting a new couch actually. That's gonna go this way. And my friend Kristen is actually getting a couch, like the one I wanna get. She was like, get this couch, it's really cute. So I'm gonna test that out when I see her on Saturday. Like, this makes me so excited for like content and like videos and stuff. Do you see that? It is like, not ceramic, but it has like that, you know? Look at this cupboard, and it's huge cupboards. This having an island so much. I didn't think I would from my last apartment, but I really do. And this is the garbage. Whoa, it comes with garbage cans, yes. This apartment is just everything I possibly could want. I wish the cupboards weren't this color, honestly, but you know what? It looks a lot cuter in person, I promise. I just can't wait to like, oh my gosh, this is my apartment. To put furniture in it, and my friend Kristen and I are gonna decorate it, and I'm so excited because she has great taste. We have all this wall space to go with. Oh, and by the way, here's my bedroom. This is my bedroom. It's a little bit tiny, but honestly, all I do in my bedroom, look at that pool. All I do in my bedroom is I sleep because I have I have an office. Forgot I have an office, duh. So I don't need to like work in here, so for bedtime, which is nice. I think my dresser will just fit here. I pray. I don't think it's longer than this. This is huge. This is my way of measuring because I don't have a tape measure. I'm gonna see if I lay flat how much of me fits. Oh crap, I'm not flat-footed anymore. Okay. Oh, okay, so it's 6 feet long, which means I'm good. Oh my gosh, Tumblr. And we have the closet, much smaller than my last closet, but that's okay because I have the office closet and I have a closet down the hall over there, and I have tons of room in here. So here, it's gonna be just fine. I'm so excited and thankful, and I'm going to have, I'm gonna have my nightstand here, can put clothes in there, my dresser can put clothes in there. It's perfect. It's literally, I couldn't be more blessed and thankful. Like, oh my God. Oh, cool. I love these floors. And this is the cabinet space. Tons of cabinet space. Like, and this is a huge bathroom. Like, my current bathroom, this is like double the size this way, which is so nice. Huge bathtub. My current bathtub situation, I have a shower, like a shower tub. So like the curtain isn't like the best, so this is perfect. And it's just so nice, and it has, what do you call it, like a composite. This is making me, why is lighting so weird? Like, it's on an auto setting, but it still has like a weird bars thing. Can't breathe, but it's fine. Oh my gosh. To my cribs. Can you just like, oh, I just can't believe it. I literally live here. Speaking of dogs, my dogs are not here yet because as I'm moving, I want to just like be in and out really fast, and it's like nowhere near them like being able to like chill here. So they will come here, I think, either tomorrow or Saturday. So here I go. Tide Pods, tissue. Oh my gosh. Multi-surface cleaner. Those are like nice products. Multi-surface cleaner.